Sairam students, welcome back. Let us start with second chapter of geography. Let us use the Graticule. But before we start, let us take a short recap of the previous video. What is latitude? The horizontal lines on the globe are called latitude. Latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree at the pole. Lines of constant latitude or parallels run east-west as circles parallel to the equator. Constant means occurring continuously and parallel means with the same distance as you have studied in mathematics. Now, the next. What is longitude? The vertical lines on the globe are called longitude or longitude is defined in terms of meridians, which are half circles running from North Pole to the South Pole. Longitude is measured in degrees. Now, the next point was hemisphere. What is hemisphere? Any circle drawn around the earth divided into two equal parts called hemisphere. There are generally considered to be four hemispheres: Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. For example, the equator or line of 0 degrees latitude divides the earth into the Northern and Southern Hemisphere. Now students, this is the world map shown on the miniature model of Earth, that is a globe. The horizontal lines on it are called latitude and the vertical lines on it are called longitude. We can see oceans and some countries located. Now the next, the location and the extent. While describing the location of a place, only one parallel and one meridian is considered. While describing the extent of a region, two parallels and two meridians at the extreme end of the region are considered. While describing the extent of the linear features like a river, road, etc., the latitude and longitude of their terminal points are considered. Terminal point means the end points. Now the next, important parallels and meridian. This figure shows important circles and their degrees. Now let us see in detail important parallels and meridians. Tropic of Cancer. The parallel at 23 degree 30 minute north of equator is called the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Capricorn. The parallel at 23 degree 30 minutes south of equator is called the Tropic of Capricorn. Arctic Circle. The parallel at 66 degree 30 minute north of equator is called Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. The parallels are 66 degree 30 minutes south of equator is called Antarctic Circle. Now the North Pole. The parallel of 90 degree north of equator is called the North Pole. And the last was the South Pole. The parallel at 90 degrees south of equator is called the South Pole. And now students, we are going to do the map reading. Answer the following question about location and extent with the help of map of Brazil. This is the map. And the first question, which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia? Now how you will find the answer? Students, we have learned before latitude means horizontal lines and longitude means vertical lines. Now students, try to find the answer. Okay, I will help you out. 16 degree south latitude and 48 degree west longitude defines the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia. Now the next. Question 2. What would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spreads from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minute south latitude? Yes, try to find the answer. Yes, I will help you out. 73 degree 59 minutes west to 34 degree 47 minutes west longitude would be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spreads from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude. Now the next question. Question 3. In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the north-south direction? Yes. Find the answer. North-south direction. Yes. The answer is Brazil extends in the northern and the southern hemisphere in the north-south direction. Now the fourth question. In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the east-west direction? You know east-west? Yes. To your right hand side is the west and to your left hand side is the east. Try to find the answer from the map. Yes, I will help you. Brazil extends in the western hemisphere in the east-west direction. Now the fifth question. Which parallels and meridians should be used to describe the extent of river San Francisco? Can you find from the map? Find the river. Yes, and the answer is from 21 degree south parallels and 47 degree 30 minutes west meridians to 7 degree 30 minutes south parallels and 36 degree 30 minutes west meridians should be used to describe the extent of river San Francisco. Now the next question. Question 6. Describe the location of Marajo island using the Graticule. Now you are going to use the Graticule and find the answer. Yes, the answer is location of Marajo Island using Graticule can be described as follows: 0.04 minute north parallels and 51-degree west meridian. Okay, students, I hope so you understood. So, thank you. Sai Ram.